Hi everyone, there's a wallet here that I want to share with you. This is made for the elderly, and I have cut the two fabric in here. This is the men's side. I'm using this fabric, and then the solid color for the lining. And I have cut two interface in the midway interfacing, and iron in the back side of the man and the back side of the lining. And the side of this is 11 inch and 3/4 by 20 inches long. So I'm taking one piece, the men's side. I'm going to go from the front, fold it in half, just like so, and I press right in the center. And from the center down, I'm going to mark 3 inches, 3 inches right here. And then from the center out, I'm gonna go 1/4 of an inch. From the center, 1/4 of an inch. And I'm going to draw the line down. This is the line that you're going to sew. You don't sew in the center. I'm gonna do this dots here so you know this is the line that you sew only. And then on this side, same thing, just dots. Just like so. Now this is the line that you're going to sew, but let's place this right on the back side, the right side together with the lining and the main side. You're going to sew this line right here all the way down, cross over here, go into here, and the 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. So here all the way down, all the way on the top. And then you're going to leave about, I leave 3 or 4 inches here open, and then go into here, go all the way down to here and stop. The solid line in the middle, don't sew. I also cut in here that 2 inches by 10, and here I cut in the same 2 inches by 20, and I fold it in half and fold again and fold it again the same way you sew the strap. You're gonna sew the top and the bottom line, same thing to here. Sew both sides, the top and the bottom. So everyone, after I sew on this too, the long one and the short one, I'm gonna put it there. And now I sew around here, and I left it about 3 or 4. It just open on the side, and then I sewed it here going up, and then the line in the middle don't sew. So you're gonna go and trim the corners. I'm gonna go to here, and I'm going to cut this. I'm trim a little bit. Just like so, and then I'll go to here, cutting this. You don't need to trim so close to it. It's right here at the corner. Try to just snip a little bit right there, so when you inside out, it's gonna go in nicely for you. And then here you're going to trim a bit like that, and then trim the corner right. Everyone, after I iron and everything, the opening space that when we left it earlier right here, you can put the heat and bond tape. I cut a heat and bond tape here. I cut about 1/2 inch and it's the same length of whatever you leave the length. Just cut it like that, and then I'm going to place it right at the opening. It doesn't have to be totally close the whole thing. You don't have to have the exact side, because later on you're gonna sew anyway, but I just want to make like this to make it easier. So iron on the paper. Remember, I have a paper side and then the sticky sandy side. The paper side, that's the one that you iron on. Okay, now you're gonna peel the paper and throw that away. There's so many things you can use with the heat and bond tape. One of my subscribers said that she bought it by accident and she didn't know what to do with it. There's so many things you can do. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to this side, the right side. Go and iron on top of that. So now it's gonna stay together. You don't need to sew. Later on, we're gonna sew on the side anyway, so that's why I don't make a big deal about it. Alright, so right on the top here, you're gonna go and top stitch on this side. You're gonna top stitch here, go close to here, and then you can go around here, go around here, go to here, go to this side. Everyone, after I top stitch here, and I go right to here, and on the bottom of that little corner here, and go here, and then I top stitch on this side. So I'm gonna fold each of this in half. So the long way, halfway, make sure it's even. All you need to do just here on the bottom, just fold this all the way like that. And then this side, same thing, fold it, make sure everything is made up and even. Press on the bottom side. Okay, so now I'm turning to this side. This is the side of that. I'm going to mark 2.5 inches. Right at the mark right there, 2.5 inches. And then on the center on this side, 2.5 inches. Remember the side you just folded. So 2.5 inches. So you have the 2.5 inch right in the center and 2.5 inch over there. The small one, you're going to fold in this way, like this. Just hold the two ends like this, so it go. Okay, don't put it together, just like this. And then you go on to place where you mark the 2.5 inch. And I'm going to pin this down so we can sew. Very simple, everyone. And I know that the senior gonna love this. So that is one side. The other side with the long one, do the same thing, just fold in like this. And it's like this, okay? You're gonna place same right here. So that is 2.5 inch right at the mark. And then you're gonna place this like the smaller one. Okay, now you have something like that. You're gonna sew a 1/4 up an inch seam allowance, sew on this, and then on this side sew a 1/4 up an inch. And then after that, after you sew a 1/4 up an inch, you're gonna flap this up this way, 1/4 up an inch. You're gonna sew this, and then this one too, 1/4 up an inch. After you sew, flap it up and then sew it here. So everyone, after I sew on this and then I flap it back, and now it look like this. Let me just show you close. Very nice and neat. You don't see that craziness underneath. So perfect. So on the long side, I have a name tag right here. If you want to add the name tag, if you don't, it's okay. It has holes on both sides. I'm going to place right in the center and I'm going to sew it right under there. One after I sew on the name tag, I'm going to turn into this way, and then from here, this side, you're going to meet with this right here. Fold it up. I'm turning this way, everyone, so you can see. Move that up there and make sure that go right into that center to meet there. To iron this. So everything is stay in place for you. I'm gonna go and clip on the side here. Clip on this side and then on this side too. Super easy. And then I'm going to fold in this way. Go into this side. And then I'm going to the center. Make sure the side meet the side here. From here, you're gonna make sure everything it line up. It should be. And then you're going to clip them together. So a quarter up and end seam allowance, you're gonna go down and back stitch, coming down all the way down to here. Go to this side, quarter up and ends on this side. A quarter up and end seam allowance, go all the way up to this side, back stitch and come out. And I'm going to fold the same thickness of that, and then I'm going to put right in front of the presser foot here where I'm going to sew. So slide it down and it to meet this one. So everyone, now I finished. So I sewed it down here and it here and it go all the way here with the quarter open ends on the side. With this flap here, you're gonna fold it down. When you fold it down, you make sure this side it touching here. It's not nighttime, but the cricket is like making noise outside. So like this, and iron this. And it's optional if you want to add the button or the velcro for it. This is basically, I just show you how to do this, but be creative or whatever. You really don't need the button for this. Alright, so like this, and then you put your stuff in here, and when you're done you can just tie it here, so no need for the button. But let me just show you the finished side. If you want to add the button, then you're gonna fold this in half, add it in here about half an inch away from here, and then pull it down and add another button on the other side, one here and then one here. I don't do button, up to you. And if you want to add the velcro for here to here, feel free to do so. Alright, so let me just show you the side of this. This is the wide side, 5.5. The length of this from bottom up to here is 8 inches and almost 8 in a quarter. Bring with me the phone. You can put the phone on the side in the middle here. And then on this the other day, this wallet can go on this side or it can go in the middle side. It doesn't matter which side. But so put it in. You go all the way. Go all the way on the bottom and then close to here. And then in the back here, you can put another thing in here. Whatever you want to put in here, it's up to you. But I'm just putting a little notebook in here. Whatever you want, okay? And then when you're done, the phone is in here. Very easy to take it in and out. And when you're finished, take thing out, put thing in there, and then you put it back in here. And then you pull in this. This is how you carry this wallet. I make this for the senior people so they don't need to do too much of the zipper. It's very cute and it's easy. They can just put it in here on their arm or can put around whatever, the walker, I don't know. I'm just do this for gift, and I think that they're gonna love it. So I'm gonna make more on different colors and give it away to the senior. It's so adorable and it's easy to do. I'm gonna give it to the senior people. I'm making more. I'm gonna make about 10 or so more and give it to them. It's very easy for them to use. I seen them use something similar, not really cute like this, but it's something very easy for them to take. This time they have 3 size pockets and then the one in the center too. And then this one, it closes everything. Nobody can take anything out from this wallet. Very safe, and it's easy for them to take things in and out from this wallet. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that always comment on my video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, hype, and also donate to my channel membership. That's how I get more material for my future video. Love you. Stay safe. Take care, everyone.